Hey guys, it's Lonel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to Kong or Cat Pass. This was requested by Anya, and we're just going to get into it. It's my favorite vault. First off, let's learn a split step takeoff. What you're going to do is split your feet, arms go back, and then you're going to swing and take off of both legs. This is the ideal setup for the Kong vault. And what I want you guys to do is really practice this until it's really comfortable. And don't move on until you do, because if you don't get comfortable with this, it's going to be really hard to get power later on, and it's also useful for other movements besides the Kong vault, so just practice it. Now what you're going to do is split step towards the block, raise your hips, block with your hands, and try to put one foot onto the block. Now I want you to do the same thing you did earlier, but with a bit more power, and try to land with both feet onto the block by tucking both your knees in. If done correctly, you should travel forward on the block. Here's something to keep in mind. Always take off arm distance away and eye level with the block when you take off, as this will be useful later on. Practice this until you are reaching the end of the block. Do not rush this step. Make sure you do this until you're ready. Now, if you've done all the drills with a bit of confidence and power, you should be able to Kong over most obstacles. Alright, here's some key points. Confident takeoff, arms distance, eye level with the obstacle, a nice arm block, and make sure you tuck in those knees and prepare for landing. And that's pretty much the Kong in a nutshell. Other than that, hopefully you can Kong over stuff. Here are some other applications for the Kong. Be safe, have fun, go touch grass. I don't know what else to say. Go Kong on stuff.
I kind of flailed a bit, but
Oh, you got it.
stick, yeah.